Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple indicator strategy that you can use to trade alongside your price action strategy. Okay. Now, as you all know, indicators are used to confirm key levels in the market and to help you take trades confidently. All right. So as you can see right here in the market, before I took the trade, this indicator, this 10 moving average here, was at a very important key level. All right, and this is the oversold level. All right, so here at the oversold level, this is a very strong key level in the market. All right, now according to the indicator, when price gets to this area here, we are at a very strong support level, and when price gets to this area here, it means that we are at a very strong resistance level. All right, so this is basically what this indicator does. It helps you to confirm the strong zones in the market. All right, and as you can see, this is the 15-minute time frame, and now I didn't just come to the 15-minute time frame to take my entry. Before I took the entry, the analysis was made from the higher time frame. All right, this is how you do your trading. You first of all need to do your analysis to understand the market movement before you think of taking your entries or taking trades. Okay, so that's what I did before I took this entry, and I'm going to explain everything to you guys. Okay, so make sure to listen to the video, make sure to not to skip any part of the video because they are vital information you don't want to miss. Okay, so before I move further to the next step, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for those of you who have not yet come to get it. And for those of you who are hearing about it for the first time, this is a very powerful strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account or a $10 account. So long as you can use it to open positions in the market, you are going to be able to grow your account with this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, this strategy, even if you're a beginner, you can use the strategy. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy specifically made for boom and crash. Okay, so if you are someone that trades boom and crash a lot, then you should come get this strategy. All right, that's it about that. All right, if you want the strategy, if you're interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, all right guys, as you can see from the 4 hours time frame, you can see that there is a trend line here, right? The price just broke above. All right, this is a resistance trend line. This trend line here is trying to show you the resistance area in the market, and as you can see from this area, price broke above the trend line, came back for retest, and for the retest, you can see there's a major key zone here. There's a major key support area here, right? And from this area here, you can see the price has reacted multiple times around this area. This is showing you that this is a very strong area in the market, and definitely, even if price fails to get to my TP, that this level here, I knew that is going to buy because this is a very strong area. There must be a reaction on this area. You see that price is going to push up a little bit, all right, get rejected from this area and then continue to the downside, or is going to go up and take our TP around this area. All right, this is a very key zone. That's what one thing you need to know and learn how to identify in the market. Stepping down to the 1 hour time frame. Now from the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the setup is still in line with the 4 hours time frame. The setup is still in line, right? Now once you have finished doing your analysis like this, all right, now this is where you step to the 15-minute time frame. Now here on the 15-minute time frame, this is simply what you need to do. You need to make sure that this indicator here, this moving average here, is in line with your analysis, right? It needs to agree together, right? Now once maybe you are waiting for a sell, you need to wait for the indicator here to get to the overbought level. It needs to be confirmed that yes, price is now at the overbought level here. That's when you look for your sell to the downside. But in this case now, you can see that we are at the oversold level, which means around this area, price might reverse any moment and start heading to the upside, and that's what happened here. All right, so now once it gets to this area, I knew it was going to buy, right? And around this area, it was yesterday in the night time, so I just took the trade. Now I knew it was going to buy definitely, but price is going to first of all take out the early buyers in the market before the upward movement. All right, so I was patient enough, all right, to buy when price got to our trend line here. All right, but before I execute the buy, it went a little bit further to the downside. All right, so when I opened my chart, I just took the buy immediately, then placed the stop loss. All right, and then I went to sleep. All right, so by the time I woke up, boom, you can see that price has skyrocketed to the upside. All right, that is to show you that this is a very strong strategy. It's a very strong entry, and this is a very strong support area, all right, that price must react to. All right, so I say that I should just quickly share this with you. All right, this might be of help to some of you out there. All right, so this is how you do this thing. All right, now from the 15-minute time frame, I can still spot some resistance in the market, but judging from the daily, all right, judging from the daily and the 4 hours time frame, this is a very long buy, all right, and I still expect the market to go further. All right, that's why I'm not going to close my trade. All right, but there's some resistance here. All right, and as you can see, price has broken above this resistance here. That's to show you that the upward movement now is very strong. All right, so price broke this. Maybe there's going to be a little retracement, and then it will continue to the upside. All right, so this is how you do this thing. All right, once you trust your analysis, once you trust your setup, the next thing is to just go in. All right, and once your risk management is okay, then you are good to go. Okay, so this analysis was shared with my Telegram channel. All right, so if you have not yet joined, check the description. You are going to see my Telegram channel, the link to my Telegram channel in the description of this video. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so this is what I just said I should quickly share with you guys today. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an educational or a very powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so I'm going to quickly share with you guys the setup, all right, the indicator setting for the moving average, and we are good to go. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to tell you guys here is that indicators are for confirmation. All right, whenever a setup is being made, you use your indicator to help you confirm if that level is really good. All right, indicators are just there for confirmation. All right, but some people, some traders use it as a strategy also, and it also work. Okay, the rating there is your consistency and how accurate the strategy is working, how often is win. All right, although there are going to be losses also, but if your winning is greater than your losses, then that's a great strategy. And what you need is to be consistent with it. All right, keep doing the same thing over again. Make sure to set a rules for yourself and discipline yourself to it, and that is all. Okay, so I think I've shared a lot with you guys into this video. All right, I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.